He threw a gun! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
On October 4th, 2024, Peoria police officers made a dramatic arrest after a 23-year-old man tried to flee from them on foot, sparking a chase that would end with federal gun charges. The suspect was spotted leaving a home on North Gale Avenue just before 1:30 in the afternoon. When officers approached, he took off running, even discarding a firearm mid-flight.
Put your hands up.
He threw a gun! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! He threw a gun! He threw a gun! Up on the roof!
Y'all got me all right. All right, bro. Just calm my mom.
Bro, how old are you?
22.
Handcuff key.
Oh, yeah.
I got you.
That's 92, got it.
You got one.
You know exactly who I am. Can you call my mom, please, bro?
Yeah, well, you know,
Damn.
he could have just not ran.
I don't got shit, bro.
Man, we gotta check.
Y'all got what the f y'all got, bro.
Hey, just shut up. Just shut up.
I want a lawyer.
It'll be a lot better for
All
you
right,
if you
cause
just shut
y'all
up.
crazy,
Okay?
bro.
Just shut up.
I'm gonna get a car for you. We're going downtown, okay?
Then I'm not going downtown. Y'all got me for take me to the county, bro. It ain't shit to talk about. I don't got shit to talk about with y'all. It ain't shit y'all can check me on, bro. I'm finna be back. I'm sure about that?
No,
You're going to the feds.
I don't give a f. I'm still gonna be back. I'm still gonna be back.
Eventually.
I'll be back. My name is Loose Screw. Y'all ain't finna get shit up out of me. No information, shit. I'm a real nigga. Bro, I've been just got out of jail. This shit don't hurt me, man.
Your feet haven't grown since you got out either.
It don't matter. It don't matter. Hey, bro, you record me, you'll call my OG for me? You'll call my OG for me? 309 512. Tell her informant just set me up. Y'all know what y'all just did. Y'all just called one of y'all informers. Hey, y'all informant set me up. Oh, BD. Hey, you called that number for me, bro? Ah, they bumping heads. Y'all happy y'all got me?
Okay, we'll go down and talk. You might want to be quiet.
I don't want to talk, bro. It ain't shit to talk about, gang. Y'all not finna get shit up out of me, gang. It's nothing to talk about, gang. Take me to the county. On my home, I'm not talking to y'all. No police, I don't get no. I'm not talking about shit. Nothing. You wanna go to the county, bro? It ain't shit to talk about.
We gotta go downtown first.
Y'all come here with the gun. It ain't shit to talk about, bro. It ain't. I'm not telling y'all shit. I'm not answering nothing.
But we still gotta go down there and do paperwork just to get you in the county, alright?
It sound like I hear my mom.
Is that mom? No. You threw one up.
Yep.
Silver over black?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, that's one you have. You see him throw it?
We all saw him gripping it the entire time.
I can probably climb up there, I imagine. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah.
Separate Park State, Building B, Paul, 92 and 93 there.
Probably hand this down to somebody first. I took it out of the chamber. There's nothing in the chamber, but it's got the magazine.
Stop talking, just do it. It didn't hurt you bad to run, now sit in the car. Sit in the car. You don't have to run either. Just turn, sit in the car.
Shorty, you talking about
I know,
all
I'm
that,
short.
bro.
It's
You
all
gotta
good.
do all that, Brody.
It's all good.
You can't be cool like him, folks.
Because you ran. Because you ran.
Do all that. I'm black. Y'all kill people. What's wrong with you, you goofy? Shut your stupid ass up.
That's tired.
What's wrong? He must be new, bro.
Nope.
I ain't seen him back then. I remember you.
He's from the jumping in.
Yep, I got it.
He's from the county.
Dude, just set me up, folks. No, don't trip. Then y'all just have somebody set me up, though, bro.
I mean, you're a smart young man.
You walk around with a gun normal?
Shit, if people out here dying, shit, I'd be serious.
We just got lucky.
Hell no, I know exactly what Just called me, told me to meet him right there, help him move. I know exactly what's going on. Crazy, folks. My mom right there, y'all at least I could see her face last time. My daughter just pleaded, bro. That's all I want to do. I know I'm finna go sit down, bro.
It's too late for that.
I ain't even talking to you, man.
Yeah, well, unfortunately, I'm his boss.
All right, my fault, bro. My fault. I'm just... Damn, man. Bro. Goofy ass shit, folks. This shit all in my head today, folks. I knew this shit. Police, I knew something was finna happen, folks. On my homie grave, folks.
That's what you got, man.
I was gonna say everybody always does.
I swear to God, bro, it's crazy.
It's
like
that
y'all, the
sixth
police
sense.
officer. I swear to God, bro. On my daughter, I don't be on shit, bro. I be chilling, bro. I swear to God, the whole time this shit was just happening, I swear to God on my baby, I'm like, this don't seem right, folks. Cause it's like,
Better choices.
I don't never walk nowhere. That's why it really shocked me. Like, that shit crazy, folks. This nigga just set me up, man.
Life's about choices.
It's cool. It's a lesson learned. I shouldn't been doing no shit. I just did 4 years. I need to just worry about my daughter and my family. I'm worried about other shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It's over with after this, bro. My homie, that shit over with, bro. I'm finna get the fuck out of Peoria when I come back, bro. This ain't nothing. I just did 4 years, bro. I ain't been out a whole year, bro. My dead homie.
I mean, it was more like, what, a year and a few months?
Hell no, I just be like 4 years, for real. I've been gone since 2020, bro.
All right, so it was a legit 4?
Like probably like 3 and like 9 months. You could say it's photo shit. I damn near did all that shit. 4 years. And it don't even be this. Like, I ain't even mad. Y'all doing y'all job. It's just, I gotta stop doing the shit I'm doing, bro. I got a baby, bro.
Right.
Little girl, bro. She happy as hell, bro. This shit finna hurt her. I gotta call her from the county.
How old's your little girl?
She 5, bro. I've been locked up her whole life, bro.
Yeah.
That's why this is old without this, folks. Swear to God, folks. This is just God telling me, folks. Streets know what's up, folks.
They never have been.
And it's crazy because I've been chilling on some just me stuff, bro. It just, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You know how this stuff is in Peoria, bro. You got bro, it's just a 10-year-old little boy that died, bro.
I know.
I'm gonna be trusting stuff, bro. I swear to God, bro. I try to protect myself, bro, my family, bro. I don't be on none of that, bro.
I get it. I never leave one home without one either.
But y'all legal, y'all could.
And especially when I come to Peoria, I might have 2 of them.
Yeah, see, I can't even do it the legal way because I'm steady getting in trouble. Like, I can't even try to get my gun license, bro. I'm steady getting in trouble. They call me guns. Blood shit, though, bro. So what you think they finna? Since I'm on parole, I'm gonna go back to the joint or what?
Well, it's the feds that's
Picking me up?
Mm-hmm. That's Brown. You remember Brown?
Nah.
Did the whole bomb squad trial?
Yeah.
That's Brown.
Last one just
Brown and Mason.
I know Mason, bro. Why do they thirsty? Why do they want me, gang?
You made it easy.
I'm not shit though. How I make it easy?
I'm at.
This informant. I'm trusting people, bro.
In the streets, you can't do that. You know that.
Bro, y'all can see the text message, bro. I thought we were just finna go help this nigga move, bro. I ain't on that shit, bro. No, nothing, bro. I'm trying to make some little money. This nigga set me up, bro. Got the fucking people chasing me, man. Damn, man. This ass nigga, folks. That shit, damn, folks. Can't even be mad, folks. Just let this goofy ass nigga trick me, bro. Billy, folks. This shit never fails, folks. Said I want to go back to jail, bro. Look at me, folks. Feds that pick me up, bro. Fucking Fed case, folks. Y'all just scold y'all to get paid for catching my little black ass.
We get paid the same no matter if we sit there and don't catch you or if we catch you and 3 others.
Bitch, you could try to fix these handcuffs on my ass.
Yeah, we're almost there. I'll get them all fixed up for you.
Damn, bro.
The suspect was taken into custody without further incident and transported to the Peoria County Jail. Due to his prior record in the recovered firearm, The case has now moved into the federal system, where penalties for unlawful possession can carry significantly heavier consequences. He faces charges related to evading police and federal firearm violations. As always, all suspects are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. If you found this breakdown informative, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more real police body cam footage, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future uploads.